in your life, in that situation, and in what is pleasing to him and right for you, and do what the world wants in your life, and what the world says and the flesh feels in that situation is right for you and pleasing to you and your carnal man and whatnot. How can you do both of these things at the same time? You cannot. And this is why God says, listen, that's going to be your friend. All right, and then you and I are not friends. There's going to be a battle going on. There's a war, and we're at odds. Let's continue in John 15, verse 15. No longer do I call you servants, for a servant does not understand what his master is doing. But I have called you friends, because everything that I've learned from my Father, that I've made known to you. Every single thing, Jesus says, that I've learned from my Father, I have shown it to you. And then might I say that every single thing that we could not accomplish to be in right relationship with the Father, Jesus went and sacrificed himself on the cross so that it would be ours. Verse 16, you did not choose me, but I chose you, and I appointed you to go and bear fruit that would remain, so that whatever you ask the Father in my name, he will give it you. Listen, okay, whatever you ask the Father in Jesus' name, he will give it you. Now, he said, those who are my friends are those who do the things I command them. They're the ones who do the things that I do. So, in that relationship, okay, that oneness, that sameness, after Christ was not become friends with the world and you're enemy with God, then what in the world would you ask